How to cancel Shortmax subscription. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Shortmax subscription on your mobile device. So the very first thing you want to have to do is, of course, you can try to look for manage subscription from the app itself. But first, you can go ahead and try and open up your Google Play Store, and at the upper right, you need to tap on your profile picture. Once you're here, scroll down and then choose on payments and subscriptions, and then choose on subscriptions. And then if Shortmax is actually listed here, all I have to do is to choose on the remove feature or the remove button to fully unsubscribe from that app. Next thing that you want to do is to open up the Shortmax app and then go into profile at the lower right, scroll down again, choose on settings, and then choose on account info. From account info, all I have to do next is to scroll down once again for you to go ahead and unbind the Google account that you sync into your Shortmax. All I have to do from Google is to tap and choose on unbound. And that's it. That is how you cancel Shortmax subscription.